Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Now guys, Minister Gayton Mckenzie has announced the steps regarding Chidimma Adechimma. So for those who don't know, Chidimma Adechimma is one of the people who entered for Miss South Africa, and apparently, allegedly, she is not South African. So people have been complaining that she needs to be removed from Miss South Africa because they feel like she is not fully South African, because it is said that her mom is not from South Africa and also her father is Nigerian. So I'm not sure about the story. Maybe they came to South Africa and then she was conceived here in South Africa because she was born in Soweto. She has a South African ID, but things have been shaky for her, especially when people saw her name. I think that's what raised a lot of eyebrows. So the Minister of Sports and Arts and Culture, Minister Gayton Mckenzie, spoke in a viral video about the Chidimma Adechimma saga. I will include the video where he was speaking on this matter. I will include the video so that you guys can see it for yourself. You guys can judge it for yourself, So now it has been going on for a long time now. There's even a petition that was started to remove her from the pageant, So Adechimma has been in the spotlight since South Africans accused her of not being a South African and participating in the Miss South African competition. So now people on Facebook have been agreeing with what Minister Mckenzie said on this video, which I will include. And others were just slamming the journalist in the clip for the follow-up question asked before its conclusion. So Minister Gayton Mckenzie stated that he is going to do some investigations and he is going to get back to us with concrete evidence, and I really like what he said, because you can't be accusing people without concrete evidence, right? You need evidence so that you can make your own conclusions. So I like that he is going to investigate and come back with something solid. So this is what he said, and I quote, he said, "I have to go and investigate. I can't just talk because I'm a minister. If she's South African, we will wish her well. If she's not South African, then she cannot represent us in the world stage." These were the words that were said by Minister Gayton Mckenzie. Now, people in the comments section under the video were just agreeing with him. They were just praising him that he's a good minister and all of that. Now, I don't know which new information they are going to come up with, because I feel like we already know what we need to know. That is why people started a petition, because we already know what we need to know, because this is what she told us.
Because I'm a minister, and if she's South African, we will wish her well. But if she's not South African, we can't have her represent us on the world stage. Where I am sitting now, I don't know. I am waiting for answers. But they say it's xenophobic when you ask the question. How can it be xenophobic? We must ask questions. My surname is Mckenzie. There's some people that ask me, "You South African?" Because my surname doesn't sound too South African. I don't get offended like, no, why are you asking me that? We must start to listen to each other. We are being overrun here by illegal foreigners. Not, the emphasis on illegal. People on the ground are feeling the pain. I can't now, because I'm a minister now, I must now stop talking about the problems. Illegal foreigners got all the jobs here. They're taking over everything. And it's a problem that we need to speak about in the restaurants. They're the only ones working.
Minister, do you not think that sentiments like that are what perpetuate, particularly on social media, these